True Jamaican vibes fire raid. So guys, welcome back to the channel. So today is a rainy day in Jamaica. Rainy day in Jamaica. Yeah man, so we're up on Brumella Road here now. So take a tour on Brumella Road with your tour guide Fire Raid. Yeah man, so you know we have about 3 days of rain. A lot of rain in Manchester, a lot of rain. So big up anyone that watch from here and abroad, we can big up on yourself. Yeah man, so mommy I help out them kids them to go school, but I'm kinda wet up in the rain, so big up all of the mothers them and the fathers them who take care of them kids. So a lot of people heard about Brumella Road. Never get a chance to see how Brumella Road look. Yeah man, so this is what I go on today. And always remember, if you learned something about our beautiful island, Jamaica, in the Mandeville, Manchester area, leave it in the comment section. Tell me what I go on. So in the night time when I drive on the road there, I have to look out for some potholes, you know. And you have some big of a pothole on the road there, you know. Just come out same way in the road. So you have to watch out for them people when they drive on the road now. Them just a shoot out by you. You have to watch them. And them big pothole on the road. Them weather is some nice type of weather if you stay home and relax. You know, say we have to work, so you have to come out in the rain. You know, in America, enough people have to come out in the snow. So I'm gonna make a left turn. On your right, you have the West Close area. Trying them water in the road with paper. Now on Wards Avenue. Thank you all for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes Fire Raid.